how to find direct deposit form on CIBC app. If you want to find the direct deposit form on the CIBC app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, download the CIBC mobile banking app and open it up, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now what you want to do from here is you want to log into your account first. So tap on already a CIBC client, tap on the sign on button, enter your card number, which is your access card number, then enter your password, then just tap on the login button right here to log into your account. After you log in, select the account you want to use for direct deposit, then select account info. On there, select the option called view check, select open PDF, print or save the form, sign and date the form as well, submit the form to the company that requested it. Then after that, you will be able to find a direct deposit form over there. Now if you don't know, then a direct deposit form is used to set up direct deposits on pre-authorized payments, and direct deposits are electronic transfers of funds that are deposited into your bank account on a regular basis, and you can use direct deposits for paychecks, pensions, disability payments and government deposits. I hope this video helped it pretty much clear it out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.